I want to determine the amount of charge controller that will carry this amount of what? Panel. First of all, let's follow this formula. Which of the formula are we following? This. What is the total numbers of the panel?
4.
That is what? 4 solar panel multiplied by what is the total wattage?
180.
180 watt panel divided by what is the input voltage?
12.
12 volts. Are we together? Are we together?
Yes, sir.
4 multiplied by 180 watt. What is it? For me to know the charge controller size is equal to what? 4 multiplied by 180. What is the answer? 720 watts divided by what? 12 volts. That is equal to the size of the charge controller we need is equal to what? 60 amps. Don't forget your input voltage. That will be 60 amps, 12 volts. Are we together? That is, let's assume I'm working with a system of what? 12 volts. Now, let's assume I want to work with a system of 24 volts. How do I determine the size of my charge controller? That means the 4 pieces multiplied by what? 180 watts divided by what? 24 volts. The input voltage, you know, we have solved this one to be what? 60 amps. That is what? 12 volts. The controller must be 12 volts, 60 amps. Now, I want to solve for this one. Let's assume I'm working with a 24 volt system. Now, that will be what? 4 multiplied by what? That is 720, Abi?
Yes, sir.
Divided by what? 24 volts. What is the answer?
30.
That is equal to what? 30 amps is equal to what? 30. Right?
Yes, sir.
That means the controller I need is what? 30 amps, 24 volts. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
Let's assume I'm working. This one also is what? 24 volts. 24 volts what? 30 amps. That is the controller I need. The higher the voltage, the lesser the amperage of the charge controller you need. The 12 volts needed what? 60 amps, 12 volts. Whereas my 24 volts need what?
30 amps.
30 amps, 24 volts. Now, let's solve for this one also. That means that is what? Divided by what? 36 volts. What is the answer? 720 divided by what? 36 volts. What is the answer? 20 what?
20 amps.
What is the point? I need the point.
20 amps.
20 is just 20 amps.
Yes, sir.
20 amps. That means you need what? 36 volts, 20 amps controller. Are we together? 36 volts, 20 amps controller. Now, let's assume I want to work with 48 volts. That means I will need what? 4 multiplied by 180. 720 divided by what? 48 volts. What? That is equal to what? 480, 48 volts. 48 volts. What is the answer? Amount of charge controller I need is equal to what? 48 volts, 15 amps. Are we together? What surprised you here? That is what? 15 amps. You can see, the higher the voltage I'm working with, the lesser the amount of controller I need.